Amy Slayton, the beloved star of TLC's hit reality series 1000 LB Sisters, has once again captured the attention of fans, but this time it's not about her weight loss journey, her personal life, or her relationship with her children. Instead, the Kentucky native has decided to make a bold move in the world of branding by unveiling a new business venture that directly pays tribute to the show that made her a household name. The announcement has quickly gone viral, sparking conversations across social media as fans call her brand name not only clever but also one of the smartest decisions she has made in her career. For years, Amy Slayton has been known as the fun-loving, down-to-earth, and sometimes brutally honest sister of Tammy Slayton. Her witty one-liners, her unapologetic personality, and her ability to connect with viewers through humor and vulnerability have made her stand out. But even as her life has gone through massive changes, marriage, motherhood, divorce, and personal transformation, she has never strayed far from the identity that fans first fell in love with. That identity is tied directly to 1000 LB Sisters, the TLC series that showcased her and Tammy's struggles with obesity, their attempts at weight loss surgery, and their complicated family dynamics. Amy knows that the show is more than just a program. It's a cultural touchstone, and for many people, it represents resilience, relatability, and a raw look at how health and family intertwine. So when she decided to launch her brand, she chose to honor that legacy by weaving the show's name into her business identity. According to insiders close to the Slayton family, Amy has been planning this brand for months. It reportedly revolves around lifestyle products that reflect her journey, things like plus-size friendly fashion, accessories, and home items designed for busy moms. But what has everyone buzzing is the brand name itself, which makes a direct nod to 1000 LB Sisters without being gimmicky. Social media has lit up with fans praising her decision. "That's genius," one user wrote on TikTok, while another added, "Amy knows exactly how to keep her connection to the SHO while still branching out on her own. This is what a smart businesswoman does." Even longtime critics of Amy, who have often accused her of being too dependent on TLC fame, have acknowledged that this move demonstrates foresight. By linking her personal brand to the show's name, she ensures that the recognition she has built over years doesn't fade. Marketing experts are weighing in too. One entertainment consultant noted, "Reality TV stars often struggle when they leave their shows behind because the audience doesn't follow them into new ventures." Amy has avoided the trap by staying connected to her roots. She's using the brand equity of 1000 LB Sisters and flipping it into something sustainable. For Amy, this isn't just about money or fame. Sources say that part of her motivation comes from wanting to secure a future for her two sons, Gage and Glenn. After her separation from her ex-husband Michael Halterman, Amy has been more determined than ever to create stability in her life. A self-made brand tied to her public identity could provide exactly that. She has openly talked about wanting to be a role model for her kids, showing them that hard work and creativity can turn challenges into opportunities. Fans also believe that this brand move reflects Amy's sense of humor and authenticity. After all, she has never pretended to be anything other than herself, even when cameras were rolling. Her decision to embrace the show's identity rather than distance herself from it shows that she understands the power of self-awareness. Many reality stars try to reinvent themselves after their shows, often to mixed results. Amy, however, is leaning into the very thing that made her famous and using it to her advantage. Tammy Slayton, her sister and co-star, has reportedly been supportive of Amy's new project. The two have had their fair share of ups and downs, but insiders say Tammy admires her sister's entrepreneurial spirit. Fans are even speculating whether Tammy might collaborate with Amy in some capacity down the road, perhaps appearing in promotional campaigns or co-developing products. That possibility only adds to the excitement surrounding Amy's brand. While the full details of her product line have yet to be unveiled, Amy has been teasing fans with hints on Instagram and TikTok. One cryptic post featured her holding a branded mug with the new name on it, leading fans to speculate that merchandise will be a big part of her strategy. Others think she may even release a line of cookbooks or kitchenware, given her frequent cooking videos and love for experimenting in the kitchen. Whatever the specifics, the buzz is undeniable. The Slayton sisters fanbase is massive, and Amy seems to know exactly how to harness that loyalty. By giving fans a brand that celebrates the spirit of 1000 LB sisters, she is offering them not just products but a piece of the journey they have followed for years. Of course, no move in Amy's life comes without controversy. A small group of critics argue that using the show's identity in her brand is exploitative or shows a lack of originality. They believe she should create something entirely new to prove her independence. But her supporters are quick to clap back, pointing out that Amy has always been transparent about who she is. She's not pretending, one fan wrote on Reddit. She's saying, "Yes, this show changed my life, and I'm proud of it." Why not celebrate that? Even TLC executives are rumored to be impressed by Amy's branding move. The network has benefited greatly from the sisters' fame, and if Amy's brand becomes a success, it could potentially create opportunities for cross-promotion on future seasons of the show. Some fans even think that Amy's business storyline might be featured on upcoming episodes, giving viewer a behind-the-scenes look at how she builds her empire. Beyond the business side, this development also highlights a bigger theme in Amy's life: growth. From a small-town girl struggling with health and self-esteem to a reality TV star and now an entrepreneur, Amy's journey reflects resilience. Her brand name isn't just a clever marketing trick, it's a declaration that she is not ashamed of her past and that she is using it as a foundation for her future. The timing couldn't be more perfect. With reality TV stars constantly seeking ways to stay relevant in the fast-paced entertainment world, Amy has positioned herself as one of the few who truly understands how to bridge fame and business. She isn't simply cashing in, she's building something that fans feel personally connected to. The fan reaction continues to pour in. Instagram comments are filled with praise, from "Queen behavior" to "Amy, you did that." TikTok edits featuring clips of Amy from the show combined with her new brand logo are circulating rapidly, adding to the viral buzz. Even celebrity bloggers are taking note, calling her one of the smartest reality stars in recent years. In a way, Amy Slayton has always been underestimated. When 1000 LB Sisters first aired, many doubted that she and Tammy would resonate with audiences. But they proved everyone wrong, creating a massive fan base and changing the conversation around weight, health, and family on television. Now, Amy is proving that she has what it takes to thrive beyond the confines of the show while still honoring it. As the anticipation builds for her brand's official launch, one thing is clear: Amy Slayton has struck gold. Her decision to pay tribute to 1000 LB Sisters in her new brand name is more than clever, it's a masterclass in knowing your audience, owning your story, and turning fame into something lasting. Fans are not only cheering her on but eagerly waiting to see what comes next. Whether this venture grows into a massive empire or simply becomes a steady side business, Amy's clever tribute has already made waves. It reinforces her identity as more than just a reality TV star. She is a mother, a creator, and now, a brand builder who knows the power of embracing her roots. In the world of reality TV, where stars often fade as quickly as they rise, Amy Slayton has shown that with humor, authenticity, and a little clever thinking, it's possible to stay in the spotlight and build something meaningful. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.